There's a cat underneath. There's another cat. 2 cats.
What's that underneath them? That fish?
Yeah, there's fish. There's probably a striper here. 2 of them actually. You got a big cat right there, a big one right there. You turn on the down engine, see that big cat? See them 2 stripers? There's a big cat though sitting right there. Right before you get that drop too.
46, 140, 133. There you go, Scott. You want it in? 122. It's on the bottom.
Tie a little slack on it.
Get out here and get his anchors going.
Tom's wanting to get on me this morning because I don't throw out 2 anchors. Why don't I throw out 2 anchors?
Because you let Ben Roach tie your knot.
Yeah.
Maybe Ben should have studied harder in the Boy Scouts.
I ought to get reimbursed for that anchor.
The anchor was free, Scott. $944 worth of anchor ropes. What you got to get reimbursed for?
What's my odds of getting that?
0.
I say Ben Roach probably asleep right now.
Now, if we text message Lexi, we can bring her out
Hey,
here.
she could have met us at the boat
She could
ramp.
have met us at the boat ramp.
Yeah.
We left you at the boat ramp,
I
Scott.
wouldn't doubt that one bit. Y'all a bunch of wrongdoers. I wouldn't do Ben that way. All right, Tom, watch your language. When I'm videotaping.
Well, how am I supposed to know when you're videotaped, Scott?
We're gonna need some
This
bigger
isn't
flags.
Scott's video.
Bryce, tell me what kind of boat we're fishing out of today.
It's a SeaArk Side Console, 20-footer, 150 Mercury on it.
Tell me a little bit about why you like the SeaArk boats and why you like this boat.
The main reason I like it is because it's got a 15-degree hull. It's an all-welded boat. It's got flotation pods on the back that keeps it up. It rides good in rough water. Fishes well, handles any type of water well. Goes in shallow water even if you like to fish shallow.
What kind of storage this boat got? Right there underneath your feet, what do you
It's
have?
got a live well right here, 40-gallon live well. It's got a bait well right here on the console. It's got
Right.
dry storage space right here. And it's even got a anchor, like an anchor box over there.
Right.
And even under here, you see, you got a big dry storage which carries all my stuff in it, which tons of tackle. So got plenty of storage.
Now, this boat comes in just the one length, 2072 or?
2472 also.
Okay, 24 foot.
Got a lot of advantage.
Now we're fishing this morning. Tell a little bit about how you're fishing this morning.
We're anchored up on a current seam. You got Telco and this river meet together. It's making a big current seam, and these fish are piled up on a big point right here. So we're just going to fan cast the main channel, this ledge, and then the inside of the ledge. We're watching these fish move in because the baits are real shallow right now. So should be good.
What kind of rigs we using?
We're using Cortez 5s, 40-pound test, Gamma 30, and then I'm using the 80-pound leader Gamma, so 6-ounce sinker slide. Get them on the bottom, whack them.
Awesome. And who we got with us today?
You know who I am, but can we fish instead of talk?
Hey, I'm not the one keeping him from casting.
Listen, Bryce, that's enough of him now. I come down here to fish with you. And where's your drone at, Scott? You bring it with you?
Yeah, I brought it with me.
Let's see you take that off. We ain't going over it.
Oh,
We ain't going over. We ain't going over.
Taping now. I was talking to Ben. He's at work. I was texting him. He's wanting to know if we caught anything. I said, no, we ain't caught anything. You know what his reply was? Because Tom's on the boat, he's bad luck. What's he trying to say about you?
Now watch this right here. Why guarantee we'll get about it?
What's he trying to say, Tom?
Tell Ben.
Right there it is. Look what he say. Right there. Because Tom's on the boat, he's bad luck. What? What's Ben trying to say about you? I thought you and him were like,
Yeah, he's treating you bad, Tom. Hey, you know what? I've been lied to by Tom many times. Me and Scott got a story one time. We went all Tom.
Oh, I lied to you.
No, not Tom, but Ben.
Ben, yeah.
Told us this big story about, oh man, if you throw dog food in this area or grain, you're gonna see 80, 90-pound flatheads come up. Me and Scott went down there, bought dog food, watched the grain go in. My graph didn't shellfish 100 miles from that place. And me and Scott said, man, you know what? Ben's wrong.
he did do us wrong that day.
Yeah,
He probably sat there laughing.
I drove all the way somewhere I've never even been just to go.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to see this epic day.
Yeah, he did us wrong that day. But
He probably sat there laughing. Them two dumbasses. spent
but the
money
thing
on
about it
dog
is
We even called them and said, man, we're fishing. Oh, they're there. My graph.
the thing about it is, Tom, is I got the camera back on you. Is you've never addressed the comment Ben just made.
Well,
You're speechless.
listen, Ben's caught plenty of fish out of my boat. He didn't say I was bad luck them days. So I'll leave that there.
I ain't seen
I
no-
wasn't ever allowed to catch any in his boat because he'd knock me and his dad over to get to the rod.
That's
Is that wrong?
He invites you down there in Tennessee to watch him reel in fish.
Well, is that wrong?
Well, it's up to Ben. That's the way he done me.
Tom will make you reel one in if he's around.
Hey, Tom, let me tell you the latest. Now, you ain't gonna believe this. I'm gonna set up the prelude, and Bryce is gonna tell you. You know, I brought this drone here, you know, so we can up our game and our video footage. But that drone's got a little device on it where you can hook your baits on it and fly it out and releases your baits and drop it. So Bryce is gonna tell you what I'm gonna start doing with you.
He's gonna start using it for cut bait with clients, so he don't have to do nothing. He'll just go out there and drop it out. All he has to do is fish him up.
Here, take this remote, fly right
Yeah.
over that away.
I told him, I said, Scott, that's the worst thing you ever got right there. I said, you'll be sitting in a boat doing this, trying to fly a drone, dropping your bait.
Yeah, I won't have to even cast anymore.
Listen, how in the world you gonna fly a drone? You can't even put your own boat on a trailer. I have to do that for you.
Oh my gosh.
Heard that, didn't you, Scott?
Tom, I can't take you fishing. If I take you, Bob, or Rick, I mean, I'll be out $100 in just line.
What do you mean, me? I ain't never bird's nested one of your reels.
Dude, the people you bring does.
Well,
That's just as guilty. I mean,
Guilty.
if you go in a bank and rob a bank, you and Rick and Bob and Rick rob the bank, and you're there with them, you bank robber too.
Listen, I can't help you don't know how to spool your own line.
Yes, Scott.
I never bird's nested Bryce's rods. His are all spooled right.
Can
They
you
never get
imagine how
spooled
much
in.
money I'd have if I quit fishing with you and Roach?
Now listen, what are you bringing poor Ben Roach into this?
Because of boat anchor. I ain't over at boat anchor yet.
Listen, I'm gonna call him up. If
Yeah,
he's
you're gonna
free,
get that
we're
boat anchor.
heading to the boat ramp, chuck you off, and put Roach in this.
Hey, you know what would make me get over that boat anchor real quick?
$100.
Well, that would, yeah, that would. But by mid-August,
Well, we work on that.
yeah, Brittany and
104 degrees. We
We'll take-
until it's over 100.
we take Brittany and Lexi fishing.
That's right.
You go at it, you ain't gonna last long on both.
Well, that's the point. Yeah, we take them fishing. Yeah, not there in the middle of the hot summer, but yeah, I mean,
I
it's.
bet you chairs get put in Scott's boat that day, so he.
Yeah, oh yeah. We're borrowing the Rockies boat that day.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bimini top and lounger.
$5 to drive you back.
Rod rack. What kind of rod rack you got on your boat?
This is a SeaArk rod rack. I think it's aluminum. It's actually aluminum, and it's high strength aluminum. And the only thing that I would do if I had another one was I would tack weld the side of these to make it stiffer, which I did already. But it's nice. You put these track systems in here, slide them in, put you 8, 10, whatever, how many rod holders you want on it, and fish right out of the back of the boat.
And you can order these rod racks straight from SeaArk.
Yep, from SeaArk or SeaArk dealer.